America.
Oh, okay.
Because America till now seemed to be the best option for me. I don't know,
Mm-hmm.
but I'm just like worried because I got that's the first time I have like over 130 add to cards like recently, and it's been like 10 days probably. I had no sales right now.
Yeah. Yeah. There was one thing I noticed when I went to your site. So, um,
Okay.
if you go to your site real quick, if you're comfortable with us looking at that, and then if you go to shop,
Okay.
notice how your pricing in for uh is that Europe or
Yeah, that's euro, but when you go
euros? Okay, so yes. So see
euro,
the pricing how it's like 170 euros, 179 euro,
yeah.
280 euro. Now switch it to the US and watch the pricing. Yep. Now it's $203.70, $214.48. So
Yeah.
like for US pricing, that's really weird pricing. Um,
Okay.
because most people in the US, when they see pricing like that, they think low quality when this is a really high quality brand, right? They think it might be fake or it might, not be real because the pricing
Yeah.
is so weird. Typically,
Yeah.
it's like, it'd be like $200 flat, or it'd be, $197. That's typically, or 335. That makes sense, right? But that dot 48 cents, like 48 cents, 70 cents, that's really, that's a weird way to do pricing in the US.
Okay. Yeah,
And it can
that's
throw people off.
automatically calculated. That's why.
Right. Yeah. And I'm sure you had the pricing set up this way for in euros because, even there it'd be kind of weird probably to have like,
Yeah, I mean, I am officially from Europe, that's why
right.
I started doing prices in euro.
Yes.
Uh, yeah, okay. So I should be fixing that probably, right?
Yeah, that would really help with your conversion rate because it's going to flatten out your pricing. So that way it's very straightforward.
Mm, okay. I'm gonna dig into it.
Okay, so that was my only thing. Everything else looks great. Your content's good. You have, models in your images. Everything looks high quality. I went through y'all's Instagram. It's good. That was my only thing that I noticed.
Okay, thank you.
I
Well,
automatically assumed it was in the US purely from the pricing.
yeah, yeah, no, I get it. I get you what you mean. I haven't actually thought of that, so it's nice to hear that. Um,
Absolutely.
okay. Should we go back?
Yes, let's look at your ad account. And so it looks like they set it up to be initiate checkout for the most part here.
So this is what I said, to be honest with you. What they did is this RMTOF, those two campaigns they did, to be honest with you. So that's the one I got two sales from, but eventually I made like another ad set underneath this one to look like audience where I sold to America for $540. And then it all kind of stopped really. I made here, where can you see how much sales did I
Uh,
do?
two purchases over
Yeah, so I
there.
made here two purchases. It was like around 800 euros. So when the ad spend went higher, I kind of turned it off
Okay.
because it's 900 euro 20
Yeah, no,
actually.
that price is really high. Can you go inside that campaign so we can see the audiences there?
Okay.
I want to see how much the cost decreased once it goes to two audiences. Okay, so that one's okay. So,
So the lookalike audiences that you see here, that's
mhm.
basically everything I did. And the latest one here are the ones that I did. What they actually did is this one, this one, this one, and another one, this one, yeah. So they did four of them.
Okay, and that audience with the lookalike audience 60 days. That audience looks like it was working well in terms of one purchase at least, where it got a 4.25 ROAS. So essentially, somebody spent looks like probably roughly 500 euro on your site for that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, that one that I got the purchase from,
Yeah.
that one, yeah. It went like the first day when I started, or the second day, and the ROI was like around 16, I think. Then
Wow.
then of course it went lower because nothing was happening. I'm not sure if it's maybe something I did wrong because I adjusted it.
Yes. So those audiences we could bring back. They might have been cut too early, and also go inside that ad set. Let's see how many ads are in here. Oh,
It's a
okay.
dynamic ad.
Just one dynamic.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Okay.
what I actually did, I went into this breakdown, went like which picture is looking the best, and sorry, and I actually deleted the pictures that weren't working good. Then like
Mm-hmm.
literally nothing happened after that. I expected it to be like growing more, you know.
Yeah. Okay. So let's go to your ad set level again.
Back.
Yes. And then let's go ahead and turn those two back on.
This one, right?
Yeah, the one with the purchase on both because they both have a purchase, and then those at the top. What are those? Add to carts. Okay. Yeah.
Sorry, I have to turn the campaign on, I think. So basically I have to turn this one off. Which one has this one off? This one off. Sorry, I'm kind of lost. This one, yeah, this one off, and this one on.
Yes. And then if you just press discard drafts in the top right, so that we can clear that out.
This one?
Yeah, we
This
don't want to accidentally publish anything like that. So discard. All right. Now, if you go to your campaign level, that campaign should still be turned off somewhere. Yeah, looks to be down there.
um it's RM, this one. So I should be turning this one on, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Now,
Just one question.
yes.
I did the same, like I did kind of similar CBO in here, LLA, right? Look like audiences with the same audience that the purchase came from the this one that we were just looking. Should I turn that on off, or can I have like both campaigns? The other one
Oh,
is
yeah,
for
we should definitely turn off one if you're already running it.
okay, so should I turn off this one that I'm already running it?
Yes.
So basically, this one is the same one.
Yeah,
All,
let's
all LA content views.
let's turn it off. It looks like it's performing well
Yeah,
in
it's
terms of add to
performing.
cart, but it's not going to
Yeah.
purchase yet. So let's go ahead and stick to optimizing for purchase. I bet we'll start to see purchases come through on the other one.
Oh, okay, so purchases.
Yeah. And then let's go ahead and turn this campaign off as well. This one here. Let's just clean up a little bit of this if you don't
This one.
mind. Yeah. Let's just organize a couple more things like those Instagram posts, Russia, Brazil, Instagram posts, all those there that are already off. Let's just, if you select those check boxes, it'll also allow you to turn them all off at once. Yeah, there you
Oh,
go. You
okay.
can select those three. And then the drop down next to edit, and then just turn off.
I don't know why they turned on right now.
No worries. All right. And then we have tracksuit testing interest. Let's check those out.
I kind of made this one like 2 days ago, and I got like initiate checkouts.
Mm-hmm. Can we switch this one to purchase?
Okay. This is what I wanted to ask you. Is it better to do like, because I don't have as much purchases yet, that's why.
Yeah, it's fine to optimize towards purchases because the system's going to identify people who are most likely to purchase.
Oh,
Um,
okay.
and initiate checkout sometimes doesn't register as much as an add to cart will because it's usually, are you on Shopify? What platform are you on?
Shopify.
Okay, yeah. So sometimes initiate checkout won't get picked up unless you have the API server tracking on.
Okay. I don't know what this is.
Okay, so select all audiences here at once.
How do I do this?
So go to the ad set level in there, and then we're just gonna press the checkbox in the top left, and then you're gonna do edit, and then you're just going to change it from, okay, so before we do that, do you see the one that you just changed? It says street fashion over there. Uncheck street fashion
Mm,
on the far left.
okay.
Perfect. And now go ahead and change it from initiate checkout to purchase above.
Oh, I didn't know you can do that. Like
Yep.
all at once.
Yes, we'll save a lot of time this way.
Okay.
All right. Now you can X out of that. And then let's go ahead and look at the ad level. Are these the
This
tracksuits?
one are tracksuits. Yeah, literally the ones that have been selling the most. The red tracksuits, like
Uh-huh.
280. Um, just a second. Like, should I wait for this to finish or
No, you can
go
X out. No worries.
on? Okay.
It'll do it on its own.
So I can just show you basically. So those are the one I'm testing, and the lower one is performing the best. Can I just erase the other ones in here?
So you would need to create a new ad and then use that image only.
Oh, I cannot erase the pictures in the existing ad.
You can, but it's not recommended because it affects how the delivery system works.
That's why maybe this happened earlier with my purchases because I was changing it constantly.
Ah, yes. So duplicating's good. So we can, well, not duplicating, but creating a new ad with the variation you see that's working.
So creating the new ad, don't duplicate it.
Yeah, don't duplicate because it's gonna make it dynamic. We want to start getting engagements. Like with stuff like this, with your content looking really nice. Like the reason you don't see likes and stuff on this post right here is because it's dynamic. Whereas like if we don't make a dynamic ad, you'll start to see people commenting, liking, and stuff like that.
Okay. So basically, should I just make new campaign out of those?
No, let's go ahead and just do this. So X out here and then hit create. And then, yep, use existing. And then down there, name the ad. Just name it. What image was that you're referring to?
The red one.
Okay, we can just name it that if you'd like, or the product name, red tracksuit. I like to keep things as direct as possible. Whatever
Okay,
it's
I
called, we'll
just
just
put it
name it.
as the blogger that wore it.
Okay, and then continue. And then essentially what we're going to do is, okay, so that automatically created dynamic for you. Interesting. Okay, so that campaign must be
Yeah,
entirely set up
because
as
the camp
dynamic.
is maybe no, not sure.
Um, okay, hit discard draft. And then go ahead and just create a new campaign, and then we'll do it this way, but we're not going to publish it.
Okay,
Yeah,
conversion.
conversion. Yep.
New campaign. How should I name it? Is this
No need to name it.
video?
We're not gonna save this one. We're just gonna take the ad from it. So just go to the ad level. Skip this part. Go to the ad.
Oh, okay, ad. Sorry.
Yeah, we're gonna discard this ad set. So, all right. Now just okay, perfect. So this worked. So now what we'll do is you'll just do add media, which is just the image of that one.
That's the image. It says it was like published in Harper's Bazaar as well.
Okay. So text on images is good these days.
Oh, okay.
So yeah. All right. Now go pull that link and take them directly to that product.
Pull that link.
Yes, from your site to send them there.
Oh, okay. From this one.
Yes.
Okay.
And then for the primary text, do you know what was working there?
I I just put it like really basic because like the agency did like a very very complex text, like really like global designer blah 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 bullshit really. I can maybe just go in here and check again because I'm not sure completely.
Okay.
I was just very straightforward, to be honest with you.
Mm-hmm.
Here. Yeah, I just literally wrote one is buy less, choose well, make it less, and made ethically and sustainably, and the other one is timeless, affordable luxury.
Okay. Okay. Let's go to your page where the product is. And then let's zoom in just a little bit on this text so that way. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Okay, all right, let's go ahead and copy the sick and tired of boring tracksuit looks, if that's fine with you.
This one?
Not becoming, but just sick and tired of boring tracksuit looks.
This one.
Yeah. And then, yep. And then, so it's always good to probe with a question and then go back to that page. And you're going to take that other part. And it says,
Here?
let's see. Yeah. Featuring introducing, or it could be like introducing or meet. And then what's your product name here? What's this one called?
Roguish.
Okay.
So it's not written in here, right?
I'm reading. Okay. So we might need to work on this copy, but if you go to your ads manager, let's just do introducing Voguish, and then you'll do like,
Oh, sorry.
and then
So
we're gonna
like introducing publish as seen as Harper's Bazaar or something like that.
yeah, that's fine. And then let's do
As seen in Harper's Bazaar UK, or just Harper's Bazaar.
yeah, just because we're gonna be promoting this in US.
Okay.
And then we need a line dash, like a long dash. So go to Google and then type in like line dash. Nice. That was like laser quick. And then scroll down. We need one of those long ones. I forget what they're exactly called, but
Symbol, maybe.
yeah, let's try that.
This one.
It's going to be horizontal and it's going to be longer.
Maybe we can see it here. Yeah, this one.
The other way, the other direction. So it needs to be laying down horizontally.
Ah, okay. You mean like this?
Yes. Yeah, except it'll be really long. Let me see
Okay.
on my end. Let me find it real quick.
Mm.
Okay, so if you Google M-EM space dash.
Sorry, again.
M and then space, and then you just type the word dash. Yeah, there it is. All right, and then you're going to,
This one.
yep, that's it. Click on that. And then you're just going to copy that line there. And then you're going to put it in between introducing and your Vogish. There we go. That way it's like introducing, and this just adds some more like, it makes the ad a lot more elegant. So typically when we introduce the product, we'll say what it is, but in this case, as seen in Harper's Bazaar, that's fine. That's good. Okay, so let's change it to shop now. Do you offer free shipping?
Actually, this is what I wanted to ask you because I've seen a lot of like I think I have like less 28 days, 60 abandoned carts, right? Not like initiate checkout, sorry. And like I'm not sure what's the problem here. Is it the shipping? Is it the taxes? Like because like Americans think, oh my God, how much taxes will I pay? Or like what is wrong? Like literally, like what is wrong? When I'm checking like what like the checkouts, like under the events, one says like skip Shopify pay. I'm not sure, is it something wrong with my website, or do you know what that means, skip Shopify pay?
Yeah, before we move any further, let me just go through on my end and I'll just screen share with you.
Okay.
And I'll tell you what it is if there is something.
Because like recently I just like made free shipping after spending 170, right? Which like most of my products are 170. Um so I did that. And yesterday I had 9 add to carts, 5 initiate checkouts, but none purchase again.
Okay. Yeah, this here is going to be an issue. Also, it puts it back into euros, even though I'm on USD.
Oh wow, yeah, I see it now.
Okay, you are eligible for free shipping. Interesting. Is that true?
Yeah, I did this now, like 2 days ago, literally, because I wasn't sure like why I had so many checkouts but no purchases. So I tried with free shipping for now.
Okay, so you have to, on Shopify's backend, you have to put in the currency converter on Shopify's end.
Okay, how do I do this? Any idea? Like, should I just?
Yeah, there should be a video on it, but this one's like on your front store, but you need the backend to automatically calculate it. So this also needs to say free shipping on all US orders for people who are coming, like free shipping on, or you could just do free worldwide shipping. Free worldwide shipping on all orders.
For all orders over 170.
Yeah. But that's in once again, euros.
Oh, okay, yeah. Like,
So
do you think I should just be changing everything to USD if I'm selling to? I'm not sure.
well, there should be automatic converters. Let's see here. Is there anything under 170?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go to bikinis. And then you see this black one. Yeah. The elixir, or no, sorry, Dolcet. It's up. This one, yeah, Dolcet, yeah, this one.
Well, that one's still over 170, but that's US.
Yeah, so basically it's under 170 in euro.
Okay, so yeah, so that's where some complications probably come in as well. Yeah, I would. Yeah, you're gonna have to get a converter up here that knows when people come from the US.
Okay.
So that might be an app that you use that does that automatically. You should also list the products how you do, like here underneath tracksuits.
But I don't have as much yet. That's why I just like I literally have only like, yeah, 8 tracksuits. That's why I didn't like, I don't know how to, if you know what I mean.
have them underneath?
Yeah.
Oh,
Maybe just by the name
yeah,
or like.
I think so.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I think so. Okay. Yeah, so I mean, certainly this needs to be removed here. You need to
Okay.
have free worldwide shipping, and then mention whatever the amount is dynamically.
Okay.
And then when people add to cart, you need to make sure it doesn't transfer to euro here.
Yeah, yeah,
I would
yeah.
make sure all those things are done before running any ads.
Okay. Like, does this need to be made with with a real programmer? Or because like I don't know how to program the website. This text included thing that you just showed me.
Yeah, let me pull it up on my end. So what you'll do is you'll go to open your Shopify, and then if you can share your screen again.
Oh, sorry. Um, okay.
And then just go to your Shopify, click settings, and then you're going to click on payments. And then you're going to go to manage on the second one under Stripe, it looks like. Yep. And then you're going to scroll down. Actually, go back. And then let's see here. This looks a little bit different. Let me look at my screen again. On my screen, it shows. Okay. Interesting. So are you connected to Shopify payments?
No, because it's not available in Europe. So basically, if you're from Europe, this is not available here.
Wow, that is so backwards, because then you're in. So like, let me share my screen 1 second so I can show you this. Sorry, we're bouncing between these, but you see here, like if I hit manage for Shopify payments, right?
Yeah.
And I scroll down, countries and regions, I just add in Europe. And then it'll automatically adjust the international pricing. So like yours is probably saying Europe whenever people check out, where you just add in the country like US and it'll auto adjust. See?
I will double check that as well if it's still unavailable.
Yeah, you're also going to want more payment accept. Like you want to also accept a lot more payments. Is it because the business is based out of Europe, so it's like not allowing you to do that?
No, not because of that, to be honest with you. I'm just like literally struggling, kind of trying to be everything for everything because I've been so many times disappointed in this thing. Yeah, payments. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, I'm reading an article. It says that it's not available for some weird reason. Some like people were talking about that.
Okay. Like a lot of people have been checking out with PayPal from America, to be honest with you, and some of them with Apple Pay. Like I've seen like couple of times the credit card was declined when they tried to make a purchase. It says like insufficient funds, but I'm not sure if everybody on the site has insufficient funds that are trying to buy my stuff, if that's real. But yeah.
Yeah, it's weird. Yeah, that is
Like I
weird.
can show you here orders, abandoned, checkouts. For example, this one. Unable to process a payment for on Visa ending this, and then it says your card has insufficient funds. Yeah. This is like I'm getting a lot of those messages when people are trying to purchase.
Yeah. We're gonna need to figure out a way to get those additional payment options on your site, and then also we need that back end Shopify payments thing on the Europe side. So I mean, like, there might be a way to set up the alternate payment gateway through the US first.
Okay.
Um,
Do you think I can just maybe transfer the store to US or?
yeah, it's possible. I don't have an exact answer on it as of right now.
Okay.
Um, what country are you located in?
Like America, you mean?
No, in Europe.
Oh, Slovenia.
Okay. And yeah, I mean, there's a lot of payment providers there. Uh, yeah,
So
I
Stripe
see.
is not good? Like
No,
you don't.
Stripe's good. Stripe's good. We just need to be able to have the currency convert automatically. So we'll probably have to look into that separately,
Okay.
just to save time. But
Okay.
certainly that's going to improve your conversion rate. Like with you running ads in the US, like even though you've gotten purchases, like we could easily like you could be getting way more purchases, right?
Yeah, yeah,
For every
exactly.
dollar you spend. So we might as well like, be more efficient with your budget.
Yeah, right now I'm at minus profits.
Yeah, no, you would be very profitable if those things, if they convert automatically when we have those more payment options, it would be perfect.
Okay.
Like you said a lot of people are like purchasing with PayPal, but like when we look at US stores, like PayPal is a very small portion of sales.
Okay.
So like that tells us that like there's a lot of opportunities here.
So what's the most used payment method in America?
Um it varies. I mean, I don't know the exact one, but I mean most of the time people are just processing with their typical Amex, Visa, MasterCard, so forth. And then some people choose to use Apple Pay, Shop Pay, Shopify payments because it saves it and whatnot. So
But I have this everything on my website.
right, yeah, no, that makes sense. That makes sense. But we still need it to convert, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Should I go back to ads manager or?
Yes. All right. So the headline, if you want to go ahead and um, put in the headline there,
Okay.
and then it can be like the product name, and then it can be, is this like your bestseller?
Uh yeah.
Okay.
I
And
mean,
then,
otherwise, recently I've been selling swimwear more than tracksuits. I just started testing tracksuits like 2 days ago. So my bestsellers in swimwear are different.
okay, do dash and then like bestseller. And then we also need to promote swimsuits because it's definitely about to be, swim season.
Yeah.
All right. And then just like make sure you capitalize bestseller.
Okay.
And then,
Like all capitals?
no, just the B and the S.
Okay.
And then in the description, you're going to put free shipping. Do you do returns?
Depends really. Like on some orders that are made when ordered on something, like I do not do returns.
Okay.
Like, do you think that might be an issue?
It could help increase your conversions for
Yeah.
sure.
Because right now I have it written like under my privacy policy, like if the order, like, because we don't stock large numbers, so basically if the order is made when ordered, like you can get like a gift card back or something, but you know.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't have returns, to be honest with you. I only have one till now, and she also decided to upgrade it to buy something more. So
Wonderful. And that's why it works, because if you say and returns, people still aren't going to do it. But people like that confidence because it's like you know, also being confident.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. So you could do and returns, but you'll have to obviously adjust that, you know, afterwards if you decide to do that.
Okay.
Okay. So,
So free shipping.
yep.
Free shipping, should I say over 170 or
No, because
just
this
free?
product is free shipping.
Okay, yeah, yeah. This product is free shipping, yeah. Okay, that's all for here.
And then what we'll do is, yeah, you're just going to publish this ad. And then what you're going to do is just, yep, publish it. We're going to turn all this off, so no worries. And then you're going to do, yep, X out real quick on that.
Okay, should I just name it so we know?
No, not yet. We got to do a couple things. And then stay on this level. And now, once that's done loading, we're going to do Command Shift R. Uh-oh, did it publish? No, it
Yeah,
wasn't published.
one said over because of errors. If it has errors because like the ad set is not.
Yeah, do you want to go to the campaign level real fast?
Yeah.
And then just go through this real quick. Okay, it might be on the ad set level. You might have to do something.
A conversion.
Yeah.
This
Yeah. So just select it real fast.
purchase.
Yep. And then just publish real fast. We're not going to be using this. All we're doing is creating a standard ad so that way we can take the ID from it to use it as, so that way it gets social engagement. It's going to improve your conversions.
Oh, okay.
Now go back to the ad level and then do Command Shift R. This is going to make sure that we're able to turn it into an existing post. So Command Shift R.
Command Shift R. This? No.
No. Are you on a Mac? I think you are.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, just a second. Oh my god. New campaign. I don't know why my business manager is sometimes working really slowly.
Yeah, everybody's business manager seems to be like that.
Oh, okay.
I think it also has something to do with the connection probably has to run like, who knows, like thousands of miles across the sea just to get over here.
Yeah. That's yeah.
Okay, so
Okay. Shift is the
yeah,
arrow,
I
right?
think we should be fine now since you've already loaded it from a different direction. So hit edit. Let's just give it this a try. Hit edit, and then what you're gonna do is just, you see where it says create ad?
Great ad. Up, down.
Under ad setup, it's like right next to the image, it says like create ad. On the left-hand side, up just a little bit. There you
Sorry.
go. And then
Yeah.
select that, and then select use existing. Perfect, it worked. So essentially what you just did there is you made this ad. It's like kind of, it essentially is going to lock this ad in place. It means that you can no longer make any changes to it, okay? Any
Okay.
audience you put this ad into, if you get a like in swimwear and then you get a like in Tom Ford, what's going
Mm-hmm.
to happen is those likes are going to show up in both audiences at the same time.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
you're going to
Yeah.
be growing. Have you seen ads with lots of like engagements on them?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Typically, it's because they're like stacked in multiple audiences.
Okay.
So this
Okay.
is that strategy. So now what you're going to do is just hit publish one more
So I
time.
cannot change this one anymore, right?
No longer. And
Just let
that's,
me check if I wrote right. Harper's Bazaar. Yeah, it's just need like I would just need to change Harper's like this R and that
Again, just
Harper.
press discard draft real quick, and then just hit edit, and you make those tweaks.
In between here. Yeah, that's
Anything else here? Oh, you can add the capital to the shipping, the S, uppercase it. Yeah,
okay.
that's fine. All right, now
Publish.
just hit publish. And then what you're going to do, you're going to have to do that refresh again.
Okay,
That
okay.
if your controls might be set up differently if you do Command Shift R, so you can just try the refresh. That might work too.
Edit. Create ad, use existing post.
Yeah, see, it didn't work this time. So hit discard draft.
Sorry.
Discard draft. So we have to do Command Shift R because it's considered a hard refresh. If you hold down Command, then hold down Shift, then press R. Just one time. Hold down Command, hold down Shift. Yeah, I don't know.
I don't
Press
know.
that little white column thingy on the URL. You see that little white box up there in your URL? Nope.
This one? Refresh?
I think you just might have undid it.
Okay. Yeah, something happened.
All right. Let's see if it works now. Yeah, no, discard. So just what you'll do is just copy this link and paste it in a different tab. Essentially, we need to do a new refresh because the way the system works is like even when you refresh, Facebook will only refresh your data. But in order for it to reload the actual ad to make sure it's secure, you got to like launch, you got to do a hard refresh. And the only way to do that is either with a controller or putting it in a different browser.
Okay.
Tab.
Cool. Now it's loading.
So it should work this go around. So just some quick notes while we're waiting. Okay. I don't know if you've gotten this, but the banner on top, right?
Yeah.
That has to say free worldwide shipping on free worldwide shipping, and then you can have the converter for the US. Yeah, then on the add to cart, you're going to have the whenever somebody adds the cart and it shows up in their cart, you need to make sure that converts to USD on Shopify. And then you need to remove the thing that says like tax included and free shipping. You need to remove that portion. Okay. And then you also should have the pricing adjusted for the other products that have like the 78 cents or 48 cents. Those like, things where they're rounded off. And then you should also be promoting your swimwear line, especially since summer is fast approaching.
Yeah. Should we go through that? Meanwhile, I don't know why this is loading so much, to be honest with you. Oh. Okay, now it's on. Create ad, use existing post. Okay.
Wonderful. You did it. Awesome.
So publish, right?
Yes. Now this ad's locked in place. It's no longer changeable. Which is good because now anywhere you use this ad, it's going to get engagements.
Okay, so wherever I go under a new ad set, I just press use existing post, right?
Yeah, whenever you want to lock the ad in place, but you first have to refresh everything.
Okay, but where do I choose this post? Like if I want to do a new ad set?
So you're always just going to duplicate this one into the ad set. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. So just go ahead and press Command C. Let's hope your command works on this one. Command C.
Yeah.
Perfect. And then you're going to go to
campaign.
Yeah. And let's see if those campaigns were set up dynamically. So choose that tracksuit interest. And then select an audience, like check mark an audience. Check it. check the box.
Okay, sorry. Oh my god. It froze.
Oh, you know what? Here's another recommendation for you. If you use Chrome, it's going to be so much faster for you.
Oh really?
Just notice you're in Safari.
Yeah,
Facebook actually recommends not managing ads out of Safari.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. Well, that's why we're doing these calls. So that way we can,
Thanks for letting me know.
yeah, you're going to learn a
It's
lot of new things
eating
here.
my nerves, to be honest with you.
What happened?
It's eating my nerves. I
Yes, no. It would me too if I was going through Safari. I didn't notice because you have everything dark themed and I have everything dark themed on Chrome, so it looks similar.
okay, so I pressed an
So
interest.
Command V.
Command V.
Okay.
I've copied. You
Oh, you're
haven't
gonna,
copied any
yeah.
item.
You'll have to go
Like
copy
you.
because you refreshed earlier.
Ah,
And you have to do it out of the same window.
okay. So here, here, copy, going back to campaigns. Now going to this one. Press this one and press copy.
Yep.
Yeah, using
Yep.
dynamic ads
Yeah.
basically.
Uh-huh.
So should I just like create a new campaign or?
Yeah. We need to do things non-dynamically.
Oh, okay. So dynamic isn't good.
It's fine for accelerated testing to find out what's working because obviously it's good because you found out what worked, right?
Okay,
But
okay,
like in reality, it's fine to just do it without. You don't have to. You can
okay,
just save a step.
okay,
Yeah, so I'd redo this and then
okay.
um
I understand that.
yeah.
Can we go quickly through the swimwear?
Yeah, let's do it. Let's cover the things that you want to cover for the next couple of minutes.
Yeah. So with the lookalike audience, right? So this is the lookalike audience. Should I like do them in the CBO or testing mood, non-CBO?
Non-CBO during testing, once you find the audiences that are working, switch it to a CBO. So like let's say you have 3 audiences that get purchases, then
Oh, okay.
switch it to CBO.
So only till I get purchases.
Yeah.
Wait, basically till I get purchases.
Yeah, and you're down to the last couple of ad sets. Like you might have turned off 2, then you can turn on CBO.
Oh, okay, okay, understand that. And what about like retargeting? Like my retargeting isn't working. I'm not sure, like, is it because I only have 130 add to cards or why isn't it working? This one.
Yeah, it's going to do some it's going to have something to do with your ads. So go to your add to cart. If your
My
funnel's not if your funnel's not converting because of those problems, the retargeting won't help that. So go inside your ad level. For retargeting, we need to offer a discount.
Oh, okay. Yeah, but I tried that already. I tried with
Yeah,
free shipping and with
it'll work the moment we improve that conversion problem on your site. Once we fix those converters,
uh-huh.
I'm certain that your conversions will go up.
Okay, okay, okay. Um what else? So basically non CBO before I don't get the perfect combo. And how long should I be waiting like for the interest like to turn them off? Is it like if I have them for €4 per or €5 per day, like how long should I be waiting till I turn them off?
Typically, how long until you get a purchase? What is the average cost of purchase?
200.
Yeah, that's too high. We can't wait that long. Nobody can afford that. We're gonna have to. Your costs need to be roughly like 20, 40 pounds at most. All
20
right, 20, 40 euros. Sorry, at most.
for
Right?
testing.
Yeah. In terms of costs, like your purchase, that's the most it should be.
Okay, so if the purchase doesn't happen or even add to cart doesn't happen, I turn it off.
Mm-hmm. In
Uh,
that range. But right now, you're not getting purchases until 100 plus euro. But like we need to fix that. It needs to be between 20 and 40, moving forward. And then it needs to be really lower than that, honestly. And we can fix that on the Shopify side.
Okay. Okay. So first Shopify.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And I can tell you, I mean, like if you go to, a site like you shop on all the time and it's always been in euro, and then all of a sudden when you add to cart, everything is telling you it in US, that'd be a little weird.
Yeah. Yeah, probably. So you don't think the tax is the problem, like because they're worried they're gonna pay too much taxes?
Yeah. Americans probably don't, like, some of these Americans probably don't even know how to convert those things.
Mhm.
Like it might just scare them or something. It's
Yeah, yeah.
certainly a price thing. I can assure you, it's as soon as those things are fixed, it'll be perfectly fine.
Okay. Cool.
Free shipping, free returns, those converters on the site, and then like your ads, you need to promote the swimwear lines.
Mm-hmm.
Your
I do it
retargeting,
right now under carousel, basically.
yeah,
Uh, so this is the one that is like performing content view. Sorry, that's the one that is performing well. Um, but yeah, it's basically just like I've seen one of your videos, and you said like carousel is working the best for like closing.
uh-huh,
I'm not sure if you know which one I mean. It was like a
yeah,
business
carousel
brand.
ads with, yeah, we need to adjust the headlines and stuff on these for sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
And can I do it quickly
Yeah, like here in the headline, like you need to name the product.
in the headline?
Yeah.
Oh, here.
One down. So you need to name this.
Okay, but like all are different basically. So because I'm using pictures for
Is this
carousel.
dynamic?
Yeah, it's dynamic.
Oh, okay, so we got to create a non-dynamic carousel.
Yeah,
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff we still need to do here. But
great.
yeah, you can
Alert.
go to that campaign where that tracksuit is.
Okay.
Make sure that campaign's turned off real fast, just so that way it's not running.
Okay.
And then go back to the tracksuit, and then just duplicate that in that same audience in the same new
Duplicate
campaign.
it here, right?
No, go inside the ad level. Go to the ad level there.
Okay.
Press duplicate on this ad,
Uh, duplicate.
and then just hit duplicate. And then you're just going to change it from use existing to edit, from use existing post to create ad. And then you're going to select carousel. This is a non-dynamic format we're going to use instead. And then you're going to use each individual card and send them to each individual product.
Each individual card. Here?
Yeah. So you'll select the image for one of these products.
Oh, okay. Those are kind of the best, like, not sellers, add to cards. That's why I put those in. So this one.
Do you have model images with these?
I do, but the issue is like my ads are getting really hard to get accepted
All
because
right.
of the like privacy violation.
I'm going to show you something really cool. So hit X real quick on that card. Oh, no, go back in there. And then just instead of that image, just X that image out real quick. And then
Okay.
instead, what you'll do is hit remove on that one. Yeah. And then scroll down, hit add media. Scroll down, add media, add video.
Oh, sorry. Oh my god.
And then click on that third one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Click on that third one. Yeah. Or the fourth one, whichever one. You already have it in there. It's at the very bottom. Yep. Select it. Then select create slideshow.
Create slideshow.
Yeah. And then just hit continue. Take that, add photos. You're going to take that first image. This is how we're going to mask the review process. Then hit continue. Now you're just going to take the first image.
Okay.
of that product, and then you're going to find all the model images. All right, so press the plus sign again. Now find all the model images of that person in that, specific product.
Okay, so that's the one basically.
Yep,
Like,
find as many as possible. You can select all of them if you want.
okay.
That are for that specific product, though.
Okay. I don't think I have more than this one for this product here.
Okay, that's fine.
Continue.
Yep. Then we need one more, though. So is there another angle of that piece?
We can use this one. It belongs to the same. It's not the same, but it's like the pattern is the same.
Okay. Is there a different swim piece that you want to do instead that has multiple photos, like a black one we want to try?
Yeah.
All right, then
Yeah.
unselect these whites and just choose the blacks from here.
Sorry. For example, this one. No, sorry. I don't think I have them in videos. I don't have them here.
Oh, you have videos?
Yeah, I have videos.
Okay, then select okay, then hit cancel real quick and then just select video. I didn't know that. Then press the select video option.
I have couple really. This one, for example, but it wasn't approved.
Okay.
Continue.
Yep. And then let's just is this video long for story placement?
Yeah. Story.
Okay, hit edit video. Let's see it real fast.
Where?
Edit, yeah, edit video there. Yeah, you have to add the URL first to that product.
Isn't this URL working? Sorry. Can I just put just like one URL?
Yeah. You have to place it in that build URL section.
Yeah, I see it now.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, it's blocked right now. All right. It's because all those other carousel have to be finished first. All right. We have hit our time, but we need to create a carousel video ad. So essentially you can have these videos of your products in carousel formats. We need to name the products. We need to add free shipping in the description. We need to, you have all the pieces. You have all the pieces you need for this thing to be successful. It's just that we got to structure it all correctly, have it all running smoothly. And like, we need to build out multiple ads. We need to get these things organized, the audiences, the retargeting, get the site tuned up. There's still a lot to do. The good thing is you have everything. You have all the pieces. Just like all the pieces are sitting in front of us, and it's like we have to build this thing. The problem is it takes some time. It's gonna take like, a couple of hours just to get all of it done.
What do you suggest?
Well, it depends really what you want to do.
I really want to make this work, to be honest with you. That's what I want to do.
Okay.